Hello everybody. These ones are two typewriters from the German company Optima Büromaschinenwerk of Erfurt, model Bambino from 1950s. There is a strap to keep the typewriter blocked inside the case and some simple blocks in the bottom of the case. Optima actually is a very old German producer. After the war they merged with AEG in the production of typewriters and office furniture. In the middle of 30 years they changed the name in Olympia, and their group with AEG was the bigger typewriter producer in Germany. The typewriter is very simple to use. You see, it doesn't have the keyboard. There is a pointer, you choose the letter to type. By default you print minuscule, the black letters here on this line. When you select the letter, the typing ball rubs against the ink roller. The black button is the spacer. With the green button you type the majuscule letters on the green line. With the red button you type numbers and symbols on the red line. So the typing ball has 3 lines with the different series of characters: minuscules, majuscules, and numbers and symbols. When you press the green button, the typing ball rises. So when you press the button, you print the characters from that line. And when you press the red button, the typing ball rises more, and you type the symbols and numbers from the bottom line. Here in the back there is a margin. You see? It's a simple mechanism. Let's open it and see the inside of both. There are only few pieces. It's very simple. It's incredible. It can work with only these pieces. It is made of a little more than 40 pieces and some screws and springs. Let's see how it works. The pointer turns the typing wheel via this gear connected to the pointer. You see? Very simple. The advancing of the carriage is made pressing this black button. The advancing is made via these levers that moves this little tooth acting on the toothed bar of the carriage. So the carriage advances. And this is the mechanism for the shifting of majuscules and minuscules. There is this lever that, when you press the green button, raises a little the typing ball. When you press the red button, the typing ball is rising more. That's all, very simple. And when you press down the typing bar, the mechanism advances the typing ball towards the roller. The same mechanism moves also the tooth that advance the carriage, one step for every letter typed. And via these 2 levers the ink roller moves so to ink the typing ball. I think it's a very simple mechanical solution for a simple typewriter. If you want to see one of the ancestors of this typewriter, you can see this video with the Gunka from the 1920s. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.